Hey, and welcome to Software Skills Google Sheets. Today we're looking at how to use the sum function. Now normally people would just add cells manually together using the plus symbol, and that would give them a figure like so. But for very large data sets, that's very time consuming. So using the sum function here, by typing in equals sum open brackets and then highlighting the figures you want to add together, then closing the brackets, this will be a much more efficient way of adding together a large number of cells. Now we can also use the sum function vertically, and also when using Google Sheets, they usually automatically give a suggestion of which cells you want to add together. Now here the orange corresponds to the orange box here. These are the two cells you want to add together, which have already been automatically highlighted. And so if that's also the case for you and you want to add those highlighted cells together, all you have to do at this stage is press the enter button and it will automatically give you the total of those highlighted figures. And then rather than having to do the sum function again in these columns, as long as you've done it in the first column, you can simply drag across like so to then apply the sum function to all the other columns. And so that is how you use the sum function on Google Sheets. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.